Hello, scrapbooking ladies. I just have a quick project to share with you. I got my latest August 2012 Scrapbooks Etc. magazine, and I was in the middle of doing a couple canvas projects for home decor for my new scrapbook room. And on the last page of the Scrapbooks Etc. magazine, I fell in love with these cute little owls here, and so I asked my daughter if she would be interested in doing that canvas. I was gonna do another canvas so we could kind of each do a canvas. So my daughter decided she would love to do this owl. She fell in love with it too. It's really cute. So here's the project that she did. She did most of it. It was a joint project between the two of us, but she picked out all of the scrapbook pages. I just kind of gave her some pink ones that I had and let her choose which one she wanted to do. I cut the owl shape out using my silhouette machine in the largest size that was available, and then I used some of this pink flower trim that I believe I got from Saw Crafters Etsy store, and I made this little bow here out of I think it's called the 9 Rose trim flower trim. I believe I got it at Saw Crafters, and so I just thought that would make a cute little bow, so I glimmer misted that and created that. But my daughter painted the canvas and put it all together, and the little flatback pearl and ribbon slider you see there on the bow came from a rack from Lydia, which is I Triple Dog Dare You here on YouTube. So thank you, Lydia. It really added the wonderful touch there for my bow, for my cute little owl, and put some vintage buttons. And like I say, the owl was all cut out, the pieces, using my silhouette machine. So we're real happy with how the canvas turned out, and I'll just give you one more kind of quick glance at it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and when I get everything hung up on my walls in my new scrap room, I'll be doing a scrap room tour, so hopefully that'll be within the next week or two. So thank you for watching.